how to get the best exchange rate on Wise. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to save money on your currency exchange with Wise, well, in today's video, I'll show you how to get the best exchange rate and avoid overpaying. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Wise app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once inside the app, you can select the currency that you want to convert, and here Wise will always show you the mid-market rate that's real with no markup. So there you can just tap on get rate alert to get notified when your desired rate hits, and you can also track trends over time before converting. And here exchange rates usually freeze or fluctuate more on weekends, so you can try converting your money on weekends during business hours for better rates. And you can use Wise Rate History tools to compare past rates and decide if it's good time to convert, because the knowledge is power. And that's it. That's how you can make the most of Wise Exchange feature. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.